Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to cancel Spotify Premium Bank in 2024. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to cancel Spotify Premium from your bank in 2024. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go to the official Spotify website. So to cancel premium plans, first of all, just go to the Spotify application or the website, go to your account page. So just log in into your Spotify account, go to your account page, and then under manage your plan, click change plan, scroll to cancel Spotify and click on cancel premium. Your premium will stay until your next billing date, so then your account will switch to free. If you cancel during a zero price free trial period, your account will switch over to their free service immediately. Zero price free trials cannot be reactivated. You will keep your playlists and saved music. When your account is free, you can still log in and play with ads. So this is how you do it from the Spotify application. You can also tell your bank to stop billing to Spotify, and yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.